Oh, this is so boring. Yeah. Well, son. Wait, I think it's just your mom. So we have a surprise. Are you ready to tell him? Hey, I'm a part of here too. Okay, so we're going on a field trip. Well, we're gonna go to the hotel, so yeah. Be prepared, and I already got all of our bags ready. Jordan, I already got all my snacks, and there's none inside. Well, too bad. So yeah, come on guys, or kids, let's get in the car, and my beautiful husband. Okay guys, come on, let's go. What about baby brother? What about Robin? Dumb little Robin. Why would he be coming here? Yeah, let's just leave him. Kids, don't treat your little brother like that. Come on, Robin. I don't even know where Robin is. Yes, Mama? We're going on a trip? Field trip, okay, baby? Okay, Papa. He's not even one of us. Thomas, stop. You already told the truth. Come on, Spirit, let's go. And whatever your name is. You forgot my name. And why do you even call me that? Whatever. Your name is... I'm just going to name you Bamboo. My name isn't even Bamboo. You can see on my tag. It says Buckley. You don't even know your own kid's name. You don't know his name? Guys, come on, let's just go to the freaking place. Don't say that word. You said this word. Come on, let's just go. The snacks. Guys. Yeah. Yeah, Mom. Yeah. I don't know how to say this, but the car isn't working. What do you mean it isn't working? I mean, it broke down for some reason. I don't know why it did, but yeah. What is me gonna do? Well, gladly, we have this umbrella. Just open my umbrella up. I'm gonna set my camp inside. And I got prepared this time. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night. Oh my gosh, there's so much bad news. What are we gonna do? I have no idea. Me neither. Well, my phone is charging. But you need to like have a cable. Oh, didn't think about that. It was the worst camping trip ever. Grandma already dropped us off, and my phone's dead. Look, it's dead. Guys, quiet down. We're stuck here. No. Whatever. You need to be my better. Ow, that's so sharp. Now my head's bleeding. It's not bleeding. Ow, that still hurts. 5 hours later. I'm starving. Mom? I'm starving. I need to look for food now. Twinkies! Baby brother! Hey, give me some. Hey, give me some. Hey guys, let me get some. Back off, everybody. Huh. All done. I barely got any mean. It's not my fault you didn't bring anything. You should have been prepared. Oh god. Should I dig for gold? Bro, get out the only thing. Let me Yeah. Mom, where are you? Huh? It broke. The stick broke. You're actually being useful for once. Ugh, so annoying. Guys, I found something. It's a stick. It has nothing to do. Well, bye everybody. If you want a part 2, then yeah, bye. Bye everybody. Yeah. Are you still here? Well, bye.